Today we're going over the Harbor Freight Dollar Days that's going on from March 26th to April 8th, and that's coming up next here on Just CB Gear. Welcome back everybody, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. So we got the brand new Dollar Days from Harbor Freight, as I mentioned earlier, going on from March 26th to April 8th. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we got going on with these new coupons here. First off, we got the Greenwood 5/8 inch, the 3/4 inch hose mender, your choice of female or male for $1.49 off. Great deal on that. Then we got the mini razor blade scraper for $1, 49% off. Very good deal. Then we got a lifetime replacement Pittsburgh 6-inch torpedo level with a magnetic strip for $1, 59% off. That is a great deal on that. Then finishing out this row, we got the 1-inch roller ball bearing, $1, 49% off. I got a question for you guys. What in the world is this used for? It's always on sale, and I have absolutely no clue what it's used on or for or anything. Leave a comment down below for me. Starting off this row, we got the Pittsburgh 3/8 inch by 10 foot protective wire wrap. That's going to be $2, 42% off. And then we got the Hallmaster square bale PTO lock pin for $2, 49% off. And then we got a Merlin 1/4 inch steel industrial coupler, $3, 24% off. And it is getting that time of year where we need some stuff for our water hoses. It's a Storehouse L-shaped hang-all 2-pack, $3, 39% off. Starting off this row, we got a Chicago Electric 1/4 inch by 14 foot protective wire wrap for $3, 24% off. Then we got a Vanguard 4-outlet power strip for $3, 24% off. That is a great deal right there for a power strip. Then we got 65-pound magnetic decor hooks 2-pack, $3, 39% off. Then we got some 3-inch solid rubber swivel casters for $4, 19% off. Those could come in handy. For that price, that is a good deal on those. Starting off this row, we got the Pittsburgh tubeless tire repair kit, 9-piece for $4, saving you 42% off. This is a must-have. Like with me, I live out in the country. We got golf carts, go-karts, cars, everything that we can get flat tires with. These come in very handy in that situation. Next up here, we got a Badlands 1/2 inch D-ring shackle for ATVs. Your choice of color, red or black, $4, 33% off. That's a good deal. And now we got some Pittsburgh lifetime warranty stuff here. We got the precision screwdriver set with a molded handle, 6-piece, $4 for 33 cents. Then we got the Pittsburgh lifetime replacement 12-inch ratcheting bar clamp spreader for $4, 19% off. Great deal right now on both of those Pittsburgh things. Starting off this row, we got the 5-foot 6-inch by 7-foot 6-inch camouflage all-purpose weather-resistant 5mm tarp, $4, 33% off. And then here's something for you guys that are in automotive that you might need. I know I still need to pick a setup like this. We got the Pittsburgh trim and molding tool set 5-piece, $5, 44% off. That's a great deal. And then we got some more Pittsburgh lifetime replacement 3/8 inch drive hex socket set, 6-piece, your choice of ASC or metric, $6, 33% off. That is a really good deal on that. Then we got a Franklin 3-wheel steel dolly, 200-pound capacity for $6, 24% off. And that ends out this row. And then in the last row here, we got the One Stop Gardens 40 lumen 8-inch solar LED black finish spotlight for $7, 22% off. And here's another thing I need to pick up because I've lost all of mine. We got the Hercules impact rated hex shank socket driver set 3-piece for $7, 22% off. These come in real handy, and it's a lot safer to have the impact rated ones. Mostly like with me, I use these on my 20-volt DeWalt 1/4 inch drive impact, and it's real nice to have these because they're less likely to break. The other ones, you got a chance of them breaking, and if you do use them, it's always good to wear eyewear and eye protection, I should say, to keep your eyeball safe using those. Next up, we got the Grant 6-inch universal pad, your choice, $8, 19% off. And then you got a bunch of different options here on that. And then finally, we have the Pittsburgh Auto Body Filler Applicator Set 4-piece. $9, but it's only 9% off. I would pass up on that. Now, let's go over my picks of this sale. So my picks for this row would be the Hercules Impact Rated Hex Shanks for $7. That's a good deal on those. Then we're going to move up to this next row here. My picks on this would be the Pittsburgh 3/8 inch drive head socket set for $6, 33% off. That's a great deal. And then my next pick for this row would be the Pittsburgh trim and molding tool set 5-piece, $5, 44% off. And then in this row, I would go with the precision screwdriver set from Pittsburgh for $4, 33% off. And like I said, tubeless tire repair kit from Pittsburgh, $4, 42% off. That is a great deal and a must-have for somebody like me who lives out in the country and has a lot of stuff with tires on it. And then this row, the only thing I would probably pick, and this is my pick just for me personally, would be the Vanguard 4-outlet power strip, $3, 24% off. Then this next row here, I really don't see anything I'm interested in, but this is a great deal here for the hang-all, 39% off. And then also on this PTO lock pin, 49% off. That is a great deal. And then in this first row, my pick on this, I would probably get the torpedo level here, the scraper. Those would be my picks for the dollar days that are going on right now from March 26th to April 8th. So there you go. There is the dollar day deals going on from March 26th to April 8th. Couple good things in here. I told you guys my picks, what I would pick up out of this. I'd like to hear from you guys down in the comments below. What would you guys like to pick out of this? Also, don't forget to tell me what that 1-inch roller ball bearing is for. I always wondered that. I have no clue, and I just never Googled it. So leave a comment down below on what you guys like or don't like about this sale. So as always, don't forget to check my link tree out down below. Down there I got affiliate accounts that do help out the channel. Some got discount codes to save you guys money. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are One Nation Under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.